Put a finger down if you know this trending song.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby.
Put a finger down for each song you know. If you put more than 5 fingers, you're officially the king or queen of social media.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next. You had a dream, you wanted better.
Put a finger down if you're one of the rare trend experts to subscribe and like the video.
Spring flower, watching you bloom wild. We are surrounded, but I can only see the light.
Put a finger down if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more.